Corporate equity capital, alternative and comparison. That's what we're going to be covering in this video. Up the top, you'll see the prop firm and the challenge type. We've got Traders with Edge Turtle, Traders with Edge Hare, Corporate Equity Capital 1-step, Corporate Equity Capital 2-step. The size of the account is a 100K account for all of them. The maximum account size after scaling is the amount of capital that the prop firm will fund you up to. So if you're a profitable trader and you're trading with a $100,000 account for the prop firm will typically top up the account and add more capital to your account until you reach this maximum. So Traders with Edge, it's 3 million, and Corporate Equity Capital is 2.5 million is the maximum. Do they have rapid scaling available? Yes, both companies have rapid scaling available. If you're on traderswithedge.com, go under Challenges, Scaling Plans, and you'll be led to another page that looks like this. It explains at the top what's an organic or a traditional type scaling plan versus the rapid plan. And then if you scroll down, we've got a video that explains it, some examples that show just how much faster your capital will grow with a rapid scaling plan than a traditional type one. Then down the bottom, we've built a calculator for you so that you can go and change the inputs to what you think is reasonable, and it will tell you just how much more you would make with a rapid scaling account than a traditional type scaling. It's worth noting at this point in time, we don't know if corporate equity capital is a scam or not. We're certainly not saying that it is, but based on a lot of reviews and what people are saying online, it seems like either the company may not be run that well or there could be something going on there. So definitely dive in and do your own research on this. Back to our corporate equity capital alternative and comparison. The number of phases. So the number of phases for the Turtle account, it's a 1 phase. Same with the corporate equity capital 1-step. The number of phases for Traders with Edge Hare is 2, same with the corporate equity capital 2-step. The price of the Turtle account is $750. The Hare is $590. Corporate equity capital is $449 for the 1-step and $479 for the 2-step. Is the fee refundable? It's not refundable with the Turtle account because it is a 1-step challenge and it's a different financial model. With the Traders with Edge Hare account, it is refundable. Same with the corporate equity accounts. Typically how this works is when a trader has gone through, they've passed the challenge and they receive their first payout. When they receive their first payout, they'll also get a refund with the payout. The target for phase 1 is 10% with both Traders with Edge accounts, and it's 7% with the corporate equity capital. Target for phase 2 is not applicable for both the Traders with Edge Turtle and the corporate equity capital 1-step. You'd already be on a funded account by this stage. The Traders with Edge Hare and the corporate equity capital 2-step is 5% target for phase 2. The maximum drawdown is 5% for the Turtle, 10% for the Hare, and 12% for the corporate equity capital accounts. The daily drawdown is 2.5% the Traders with Edge Turtle, 5% Hare, 3% corporate equity capital 1-step, and 5% with the corporate equity capital 2-step. The profit share is 80% at Traders with Edge, and it's 90% with corporate equity capital. Minimum trading days for phase 1 is 10 minimum trading days at Traders with Edge. Corporate equity capital minimum trading days is 0. Minimum trading days on phase 2, it's not applicable for both the Turtle or the 1-step on corporate equity capital, and it's 10 days with Traders with Edge Hare, 0 days with corporate equity capital 2-step. The trading period, so this is how long have you got to pass the challenge. So you've got 365 days, a full year to pass the Turtle account. So while it is more expensive, you do have a lot longer to be able to pass. Traders with Edge Turtle, you've got 30 days to pass, and the corporate equity capital 1-step, you've got 90 days, and you've got 60 days on the 2-step. Trading period for phase 2 is 60 days for both the Traders with Edge Hare and the corporate equity capital 2-step, but it's not applicable for both the 1-step accounts. Can you hold over weekends? You can hold over weekends on all accounts except the Hare account. Can you use EAs? Yes, you can use EAs on both firms. Traders with Edge, you just need to seek approval first. The reason for this is because pretty much every prop firm has a rule that you cannot trade exactly the same strategy as someone else who's with that firm. So they won't tell you this up front necessarily, but they'll say you can use EAs, and then you go and trade the EA on their prop firm, they find out that you're trading exactly the same strategy as someone else, and then you lose your account. We would prefer that you come to us and you ask for approval first, and then once approved, you can go ahead trading with the EA, knowing that you're not going to get suspended for trading with the same strategy as someone else. What I will point out though is that you can trade with an EA if you're doing manual entries and you're using an EA to manage your trades, calculate your position size, that sort of stuff. We absolutely allow that, and we do recommend that you do that because we realize that people can't be watching the markets 24/7. If we continue down, do they allow signals? Yes to all. Allow news trading? Yes to all. Do you get a free retry? You don't get a free retry on the Turtle account because you've got 1 year to pass, so it doesn't make sense that you get a free retry. With the other accounts, how the free retry works is if the time runs out, you're in a profit, and you haven't violated any rules, then typically you'll be issued another free retry. Can you trade Forex? Yes, you can. Digital currencies? Yes, you can, to all. Can you trade commodities? Yes, to all. Indices? Yes, to all. Trade share and stock CFDs? Yes, to all. Do they have trading competitions? Traders with Edge does have trading competitions. It seems that Corporate Equity Capital does not. So you can enter a competition for free and you can trade against your friends and other people online. And typically the people who come in first to third position, they will win a challenge account that they can then trade at the prop firm. If we scroll down a bit more, we've got giveaways. So does the company have giveaways? Traders with Edge does have giveaways. It seems like Corporate Equity Capital does not have giveaways at the moment. Here's an example of a giveaway that we had recently where you could enter your name and email address, go in the draw to win one of 3 $50,000 prop firm accounts, plus some other prizes. We may or may not be running this type of competition at the time you see this video, but this is an example of some giveaways that we have from time to time. Do they have trader education? Yes, both firms have trader education. Do they have affiliate programs? So Traders with Edge has an affiliate program. We pay up to 20% for the lifetime of the client for anyone that you refer. So you can sign up to our affiliate program, you get your affiliate link, and then if you send that link to anyone and you refer them to us, we will pay you 20% of anything that they spend with us. It is for the lifetime of the client. So what that means is if they purchase again in 1 year or 2 years, well, you still get commission from that. So it's kind of like having a passive income stream as well. That concludes our alternative in comparison to Corporate Equity Capital. If you've got any questions, please go to the website and talk to us on live chat, join the Telegram group, or post a comment below the video. Cheers.